With 2008 only a few days away, there's no better time than now to reflect on the most impactful women's health stories of the year. These stories are firm reminders that men and women are not equally affected in all realms of health. Diabetes mortality rates have been on the decline for decades. Good news, right? Unfortunately, this is only true for men. Death rates for women with diabetes have remained the same, and the difference in mortality rates for women with and without diabetes has doubled over that time. Women with diabetes can maximize their life expectancy by eating a healthy diet, not smoking, and staying active. For women looking to preserve their memories later in life, it turns out that coffee may be the right medicine. New evidence suggests that women who drink more than 3 cups of coffee a day are able to retain more of their verbal and visual memories over 4 years. This effect seemed related to age, as women over 80 had more benefits than women 10 to 15 years younger. There's a well-known phrase that claims silence is golden. However, a study earlier this year has revealed that this is not the case for women who find themselves in marital disagreements. Women who silence their thoughts and feelings have a higher risk of depression, irritable bowel syndrome, as well as death. Having a safe environment and open communication are key to free expression of feelings during a conflict. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease is on the rise globally, and its impact on women is different from men. New research has found that women are more likely to experience the chronic bronchitis form of the disease. Women predominate the patients who have never smoked and are found to report more shortness of breath, anxiety, and depression. Some medications may affect genders differently, and according to surveys, many women are unaware. Only a little more than half of the women surveyed read labels for gender differences. Women metabolize drugs differently than men, most likely due to lower body weight, higher percent body fat, small organs, and blood flow compared to men.